This is a basic jug from BRITA. It's one of the cheapest models. And the reason for that is you don't have any opening of the lid. So this is just a handle to lift it up. The problem with that is the lid is so snug that it lifts the whole compartment. There we go. To be able to fill it with water, you actually have to use 2 hands or have agile fingers. But that's not really a problem. You want to clean those jugs. So after each use, when you're changing the filter, you want to remove this, wash it, and put it back together. So that is the reason why this whole thing is coming apart. The filter is really easy to remove. You see, I'm doing everything with just one hand. Put it back on, close the lid, and there we go. You have a timer here counting the percentage of your filter. You don't have to use BRITA filters if you don't want to spend the money. You can use Amazon on brand. They will do exactly the same thing, and any filtering jug is better than drinking tap water these days. So I would definitely recommend this jug. It sits really nicely in a kitchen door, in a fridge door in a kitchen. Yeah, there's nothing to complain about really.
Message.